It can be very difficult starting out without knowing anyone, without any sort of support network. It can be terrifying, but I think that with creativity, you just know, you just have this burning desire that you want to do this and you find a way. My parents encouraged me to do architecture, but I was very frustrated with the industry of architecture. It was very corrupt and very sexist. I felt really lost. At that time, I was doing an art program where we were doing like applied arts and doing ceramics and doing stained glass. And that kind of like reawakened the creativity inside me. And I realized I could join my background in design and project and architecture with art. Like, it took me a long time to understand that illustration was a viable career. I knew I could do it. I had a very burning desire to do it, and I made it happen. My knowledge of architecture taught me to see the world and to deconstruct the world and take things apart and put them back together again. I look at something and I kind of immediately deconstruct it into shapes. This particular piece was inspired by the Pantheon in Paris. The whole architecture of the crypts is like a series of arches and stairs. The light changes, then your understanding of the piece changes. It's a metaphor for different perspectives in life as well. One thing that I really like about taking my work to the paper and the physical is that it kind of becomes alive with the texture. I'll draw on the paper and then take a quick photograph and then just do a really quick color study with Adobe Sketch. I do it to play with the colors because it's very easy to change. It took me a long time to find my way with color. It's funny because when I was an architecture student, I was obsessed with minimalism and white and black and shades of gray and like very pure forms. And then when I started drawing and illustrating, all these crazy colors and patterns kind of came out and I couldn't stop it. My new recent obsession is ceramics. I always feel like I need to be learning because I feel like it keeps my brain active, and it's like the mind goes completely blank. It's just your body and the clay. Comparison is a basic experience of being a human being, I think. It's kind of unavoidable. It's an energy suck. You're your worst enemy in some ways. You're your harshest critic. You always want to excel and improve and get better and do better and grow and grow and grow. And that can be very exhausting as well. This sense of self-worth, the sense of I am worthy of being seen, I am worthy of being in this industry, that's the thing that will keep you going. You have to believe in yourself and not what you think the world wants from you. That's the only way, I think. And it's a good way.